There's nothing quite like a day at the beach. For most of us, a day at the beach means fun, relaxation, and a break from reality. But for police officers and lifeguards, things can shift from calm to chaotic in the blink of an eye.
I'll sit in front of the car.
Sure.
Get up and get your damn clothes on right now.
I don't know where they are.
Putting your private parts on me.
Don't flatter yourself.
Okay, you got it?
Today, we're diving into wild beach incidents the police had to deal with, where a seemingly perfect beach day is a full-blown horror story for the people responsible for keeping everyone safe. Starting with a girl who made everything worse for the officer she called.
But I'm sure if I was white with blonde hair, I would not be under arrest, sir.
Why did you lie to me?
I'm scared because I was just domestically abused.
On April 7th, 2023, Daytona police responded to a disturbance call at a local hotel where a woman and a man were reportedly having a dispute. When the officer arrived, he found a woman in a bikini, visibly upset and crying.
Where you want to fight with your that left you here?
No, I'm okay. I'm safe here.
Okay. Why are you crying?
I'm on the phone. I just found out bad nails.
Okay. Sorry to hear that. Did you happen to see or hear anybody fighting?
Yeah, there was a guy here earlier who they left.
What's your first name?
Renee.
Renee is your first name? Okay.
She was intoxicated, and when asked for a name, she gave an alias, a false name. She went on to say she did not need the police's help.
Renee, you're not lying to me, right? Okay. Just odd that they gave me a description and told me that there was somebody here. There's a female in the parking lot that was crying. And there's nobody else in the parking lot and you're here crying. So I just wanted to make sure you're okay.
Oh,
You don't need our help.
I'm okay. Thank you, though. I appreciate it.
The officer asked a hotel worker about who had made the call. Surprisingly, the worker pointed directly to the same woman. Now suspicious, the officer stopped her from leaving and asked for her name again.
Hold on for a second. We'll talk to her.
Hold on 1 second, okay? I'm going to call you right back.
Okay, so even this lady in the parking lot over here is telling me that you're lying to me that you were the one that was involved. The one that just flagged me down. So, do you have your driver's license or ID card?
No,
Okay,
sorry.
come on. You're here with me for the
I'm sorry, hold on 1 second. Hello? Hi.
Swing lady.
Okay, yeah, I'm going to go meet and then I'll call you. I'm going to meet she's down the street and then I'll call you. No. Okay, alright, I love you too. Because, I don't know, the police are here, they're questioning me. They're right in front of me. I don't know, he said some lady called. I'll call you right back. Yeah, no, I know. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay, alright.
She undermined the officer, and when the officer detains her for investigation, it leads to a heated exchange between the two, in which the lady accuses the officer of inappropriate physical contact.
I love you. Okay, alright, bye. I love you too, bye.
Alright, let's stand in the front of the car.
Sure.
Right at the front bumper, where it says Ford.
Am I really under arrest or something?
No, but you are detained. I'm not sure if you're the suspect or...
Detained for what?
Well, I was in the middle of explaining to you, but you cut me off. So what's your first name, young lady?
It's Caitlin.
Okay, so that's a different name than what you just gave me. So right now...
No, my
So here-
first of all, my nickname is Renee.
Okay, so here's the deal. Put your hands behind your back.
You're not gonna arrest me for what?
Put the bag down.
Excuse me, for what?
This is the moment the woman alleges the cop was rubbing inappropriately against her.
Arresting me for what, sir?
Well, for providing false information.
False information? To who? Why are you forcefully...
I'm not. Just turn and face the car. You're not going to turn around and face me.
Why are you touching me like this?
Stop. It's not going to go very
see
well.
him?
Stop.
I just saw physically abuse and now look at him arresting me.
And you're
Stop.
now
Stop.
putting
Don't fight.
your
Don't fight.
sexual
Stop.
male parts
What's your
on
first
me.
name? Stop.
It's Caitlin.
And your
Get your
middle initial, Caitlin.
parts off of me.
Caitlin. And your
A
middle initial.
woman is supposed to arrest me.
Caitlin.
Get your male parts off
your middle
of me.
initial.
Get your parts off of me.
So don't flatter yourself.
Disgusting. Don't flatter yourself.
I am nowhere near you.
Yeah, we know. Look at your head. Men like you. It's men like you that put women in this situation. You're a scumbag. It's
10, 12
disgusting.
time is arrest time.
You're disgusting. God knows everything and sees everything.
She was arrested for providing false information, claiming she refused to share her details because she believed male officers were creeps. Her demeanor made everything worse, but it is the least crazy interaction here. Next, the cops caught the naughtiest couple on the beach.
You understand you're on a beach.
I know.
In the middle of a roadway, pretty much, right?
It was a dream of yours.
Yeah, for sure.
On November 10th, 2023, the police responded to multiple reports and complaints about a couple doodling in a public space at the beach.
So that was the ones that we walked past.
Okay.
And they were, yes, he had no pants on,
Okay.
going to town.
When they got there, they were absolutely disgusted with what they saw.
What in the hell are you guys doing?
I'm sorry. I just said wear my clothes. I'm so sorry. I'll be back.
Turning 19, I'm 12.
I'm so sorry.
Get up and get your damn clothes on right now.
I don't know where they are.
Well, you better find them.
As the officers approached, you would think they would hurry to cover themselves up, but they took ages to find something to wear, and you can even hear them giggle like they just ticked something off the bucket list.
Oh, yeah. Find your IDs.
You are looking at Sarah Fazekas, 55 at the time, who always had a dream of having adult time in the public. And her partner is 60-year-old Robert Clark, who was already on a sex offender list.
You understand you're on a beach.
I know.
In the middle of a roadway, pretty much, right? So there's people walking by with their kids out here, and they're watching you guys do this. You know how many calls we've gotten over you two? You guys are foolish. You're grown-ass adults. Get a hotel room.
They had decided to act on their wild imaginations. Maybe they had wild imaginations with cellmates too, because once they were handcuffed, that's where they were going next.
Sarah, do me a favor, walk over here, okay? Sorry. No, you're good. You're good. Go ahead and put everything up here for me. Alright, go ahead and face the truck. Am I being arrested?
You don't need to.
So we're gonna put you in handcuffs for now, okay?
Why?
You're only doing it because I got a record.
I'll get your shit.
You think it's completely acceptable to sit here on the causeway, fully nude, and have sex in front of all these people and kids?
I don't think that at all.
Clark was charged with lewd and lascivious exhibition, and Fazekas was charged with exposing herself as well as drug possession. Do you know what this is? This was taken at a beach when a 16-year-old pulled out a gun to a fight and put everything to a stop on the beach.
Because we come back, you're gonna get. Hey, we got a fight over there.
On March 14, 2024, Felixander Solis Guzman, 16, pulled out a gun at a crowd of spring breakers on a Florida beach. When the deputies heard the crowd saying he's got a gun, they saw him and drew out their guns and began to chase the armed teen.
On the beach. Hey, motherfucker! Drop the fucking gun! Hey! Drop the fucking gun!
The teen ran from the deputies, who ordered him to drop the firearm, and ended up in the ocean steps away. His intentions were to get rid of the contents in his bag in the ocean. Felix threw the bag he had in hand before he was persuaded to drop his gun, raise his hands, and come to dry sand to surrender peacefully.
John, watch your cover. You ever get a car, Sergeant? Ever get a car over here?
This is what was found in his bag: 20 bags of cannabis, and he was arrested and tried as an adult for suspicion of aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, possession of a firearm by a person under 18, improper exhibition of a firearm, commission of a second-degree felony with a weapon, resisting a law enforcement officer, tampering with evidence, and possession of marijuana for sale. The police found this incident to be scary because he was only 16 and already deep into crime. However, not all encounters at the beach are that scary, but they just escalate.
Why am I being
You're
arrested?
both being fucking arrested.
Alcohol on the beach and child like I said.
On March 16, 2024, police responded to a report about a Georgia couple passed out drunk on a Florida beach as their 2 young children were missing.
The sheriff's office, wake up! You sit up. Come on, get up. All right. Up. Welcome back. Sit up. All right. Why can't have alcohol on the beach? All right. You got ID? Do you have ID?
Give him your ID or different one. Give him my ID or different yours.
Do you guys have children with you?
Give him my ID or give him yours. Oh my God.
Are they with you?
Hey, your kids with you?
Yes.
Where are they at? Hey,
Where are
your kids.
Right there.
This is Alicia Langley, 27, and Timothy Stevens, 27, who were woken up by deputies from the Volusia Sheriff's Office as they responded to the incident. When asked about their kids, they are seen pointing to empty chairs.
I'm here and then I'm here.
Where's your ID? I don't have mine. So give him your ID. That's what he wants, your ID. Are they right here? What's in here?
Hey, where are they?
Go get the kids. I got this. I'll do it. You go.
Here, I'll go with him. Show me where your kids are.
Guy's name?
How old are they?
7 to 8.
Boys, girls, boy and a girl?
Boy and a girl.
Okay, you don't know where they are?
Their 2 children in question were found swimming unsupervised but safe in a hotel pool nearby after the deputies went looking for them. As for the parents, Alicia is seen arranging for someone to take custody of the children while Stevens makes a run for it.
I need you to come get the kids. Me and Timothy are both being arrested.
Is somebody able to get the kids?
Come get the kids.
Why
Me
am I
and
being
Timothy
arrested?
are both being fucking arrested.
Alcohol on the beach and child neglect.
Can you tell him where we're at? Can you tell him where we're at?
So we're not allowed to have any beer at the
Daytona
beach?
right off
It's
Daytona
illegal.
Beach shores.
Huh?
It's illegal to have alcohol on the beach.
Is it?
Yes.
I thought it was not glass.
Nope, glass is not allowed, but neither is
Can
alcohol.
you please give
Because
my
what happens is people get drunk and then they'll drown in the ocean.
I only had like 2 beers.
2 is still illegal.
2 is still illegal? 2 is still illegal.
No, the fucking cops here are dickheads. This lady is the only fucking person that's been nice. Him, everybody else has been fucking dickheads. So now we both go to fucking jail. Who the fuck is gonna bond us out?
No one.
Exactly. Now my grandpa has to drive fucking 8 hours to get the goddamn kid. No, I wanna listen to what my grandpa has to say. I wanna make sure my kids are fucking taken care of. I don't.
We can roll down the window.
I'm sorry, but
we can roll down the window.
and him, I don't trust them. No.
In the truck. She said in the truck.
Can you just wait? Can you
We can roll down the window.
wait? I want to make sure my kids are fucking.
We're gonna make sure they're taken care of.
Okay, so tell him to come over here and let me listen to what my grandpa's saying.
He's writing down the message right now.
And I can't hear nothing.
In the truck.
I'm telling you to get in the truck, and I'd like you to get in yourself. And so that
I
if
want
you
to
get in
make
the
sure
truck,
my
I've been
kids
trying
They
to
will be
work
in
with
the
you this
truck,
whole
please.
time, and
Where are my kids gonna go?
going to the Family Resource Center. So they're going to take care of them. They'll feed them. They'll clothe them. And they'll be comfortably waiting until your with the father or grandfather arrives. Okay? I need you to get in the truck with me. Okay? We're drawing this out too long. You said you want to get this over with. Let's try to get this over with. Okay? You got it?
Stupid.
Call an ambulance, please. Hey! Call a guardian. Hey! Wake up! Wake up!